Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen and British Pound Japanese Yen. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 3rd March 2021, Wednesday. So this video is for Wednesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So we can see that right now market is trading at 149.33, and if you look at this portion, it is very clear to us that there is not much movement in the market. Market is kind of flat. Okay. So let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and get a clear picture. So if I switch to the 4 hours time frame, you can see that market was in beautiful uptrend, and though there was a big fall from here, but still market is continuing its uptrend, and still market is respecting the 50 moving average in the 4 hours time frame. Okay. So what can you do with the GBP Japanese Yen for 3rd March? Okay, if you want, then you can initiate a buy position right now. Okay, it seems good. It is respecting the 50 moving average, so you can initiate a buy position here with your stop loss below this 50 moving average or here also. It totally depends on your risk appetite. Okay, and you can be long as long as you want, or as long as the uh, market is above this 50 moving average. Okay. And if you are looking for a safer entry, okay, much more safer entry than this, then what you can do is that, as you can see, stochastic RSI is in overbought zone right now. Okay, so you can wait for stochastic RSI to come down to this oversold level. Okay, when the stochastic RSI will move from oversold level, okay, when it will rise from the oversold level, then you can initiate a buy position. Or if you want to take some risk, or if you think that you can handle some market correction, because there is not much volatility in the market as of now, so you can initiate a buy position here only. Okay, and your first target will be this, okay, this level. Okay, your first target will be this, or you can stay as long as the stock, or as long as the not stock, this British pound Japanese yen is trading above the 50 moving average. Okay, so simple strategy. Actually, whenever market is trending, or market is an uptrend or a downtrend, okay, so then the strategy becomes very simple. Okay, and it is beautifully following the 50 moving average also. So in that case, it becomes easier to initiate a position just above the 50 moving average. Okay, and for safer position, you can wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to this oversold level, and then you can initiate a position. And your target will be first target this, and if you want to stay longer, then stay long as it is above the 50 moving average. Simple for the day. Okay, so this is the simple analysis of British pound Japanese yen for 3rd March, Wednesday. So this is it. Thank you so much, and hopefully you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay, and if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. And I'm extremely sorry, tomorrow I won't be able to release video tomorrow because I have some important personal work. Okay, but otherwise, from day after tomorrow onwards, the videos will be coming again, like every day. Okay, I post video 5 days a week so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay, and thank you so much for all the love and support and encouragement. Thank you so much. Good luck.